Hello, hello. This is the Awful and Awesome Entertainment Wrap, episode 399. This is Rajesh Sen, and today we have two special co hosts, guests, super women with us. We will start with.
Manisha.
Yay.
But you should start with Dipandana because she's the OG.
Yeah,
Awful
the
and Awesome
OG
host.
co host.
This is
Yeah.
true.
That's true.
Maybe you should do like.
So we have
yeah.
Dipanjana Pal, who is the person who created this podcast with me also. But
Correct.
we are the OGs.
Yes.
Now we have
We are the
people,
mothers of
Stephanie's-
this.
We are Stephanie's
Mothers. I was going
account.
to go with sisters.
We are the mothers.
But mothers.
Mothers of this podcast. And Dipanjana is here because Dipanjana has written her
Third book.
third book, Lightning in a Shot Glass. It is a mix of, I don't really think it's properly chick lit, I would not
I mean, there
call.
are chicks and
There
there
are
is
chicks,
lit.
there's lit, but it's about female friendships. It's about India today. It's about them living in today's India, dealing with men, dealing with work, dealing with friends, and making your own family and choosing your own family of friends. And Dipanjana is going to tell us a little about the book later.
I'm very impressed that you've read the book.
Yes.
Because that's why I didn't say a thing all this time because I was like, has she read it?
I
She has
don't-
read it.
I do my homework. I ordered it as she put it
Which
up.
is
Then
very
Amazon
tragic.
did not send it to me for 1.5 months after that. But I did my duty. And we are also going to discuss Delhi Crime Season 3.
Yes.
And we are also going to discuss One Battle After Another. And we'll discuss other things
We can
as
discuss other
is,
things also.
yeah.
Whatever we liked watching.
yeah,
this week.
whatever we feel like, because it's a
It's a
free
free-flowing show.
world. We can talk about anything. we
So
want.
long as it's free, we might as well make the most of
Yeah.
it.
Exactly. So, what do we want to start with? Do you want to tell us a little about the book?
Yes.
That would be nice.
Sure. So I really am very happy to be talking about Lightning in a Shot Glass in NL and with particularly, you guys, because a lot of the book is about a newsroom, right?
Yeah.
And it's about a newspaper newsroom.
Do we
which
feature in it?
no, you do not.
Sadly not.
I don't think
Damn it.
I don't think you'll see yourself in any one of those.
There's one
people.
person who cooks a lot.
It's
and
true.
cleans.
And
so
is
I
in
can
PR.
find and isn't PR.
So there you go.
So that's you?
That's
No,
me.
no.
That's
No.
me only. Let's
Correct.
just take it that it's me. I'm forever finding myself in people's books.
But
Speaking
coming
about,
back to
yes.
the book, so yeah, like a lot of it is about sort of being a woman journalist who
Mhm.
chooses to climb up the hierarchy. Because one of the things that happens is that as a reporter, there's only so far you can go in
Mhm.
the sort of ladder of things.
Mm.
If you want power and influence, you have to resign yourself to working within the office and taking on a more of a desk kind of role than
Mm.
being on the field or in the field. So that's something that one of my protagonists is dealing with, and the kind of sort of the things that make both her and another one of her colleagues, who is one of the few good men in the book, really question why they do the work that they do. And
We have an announcement also for Awful and Awesome is behind the paywall.
This one is behind the paywall.
Yeah,
Left.
only
So
paid subscribers can
subscribe.
access the show.
Subscribe to watch the show.
You can watch the show on our website and app only, and you can scan this QR code and subscribe, which you should. In fact, you should subscribe because there's a year-end subscription.
Well, the year is ending. It's
Yes.
just that. And you should do something good before the year ends. Some punya kamao. So please subscribe to newslaundry.com. You shall get all the behind the paywall stuff like this show, Hafta, Charcha, and you get to support independent journalism. So please subscribe, do something good, worthwhile before the year ends.
Yes. We'll
Okay,
just
one
keep
battle
it.
after
Okay.
another. I watched it in the hall and it was amazing. I went to theater because I watch all Leo movies.
Oh,
big screen.
like that. I
I
have
didn't
nothing.
realize you're a Leo DiCaprio fan.
I love him.
Oh.
So you don't watch all those reels on Instagram. There are all these random reels of Leo getting off a yacht, getting on a yacht, hiding himself, dressed up really
No, I don't.
weirdly.
She
I'll
just
send.
watches his
Now
I don't
I'll
watch
send.
all his-
Now I'll send. That's what I'm watching. I'm not watching the. No, so I did. I
Hmm.
watched it on. What was it on? Amazon Prime,
Yeah.
Right.
because my movie going partner, Abhinandan, did not want to cry and did not want to go to watch the film. Therefore, but
not
there's
a
no
movie that makes you
crying.
cry, it makes you
just was being lazy, so I didn't end
Laugh
up
quite a
going.
bit
Yeah.
actually at points.
I really liked it.
Hmm.
So it is directed by Paul Thomas Anderson, who
Yes.
has. But even that chase scene when Sean Penn, the car chase scene,
What did they shoot it on? Because it
So this is
really
the-
gives
I'm
you,
trying
you know,
to get
the last scene, one of the last
Yeah.
scenes where you can just see the road
Up
going up and
and
down.
It
down.
is
up and
just
down.
fabulous.
It's a fantastic scene.
So at the
it had
heart-
so much of like I don't know, it gave me
Very
that-
Hitchcockian.
Yeah,
very
it gave me a lot of
Hitchcockian.
exactly.
So at the heart of One Battle After Another is a father trying to find his daughter.
Yeah.
Right? It's very much about the politics, contemporary politics of America, your rights as a civilian, your rights as a woman, your rights over your body, gender dynamics, abuse of power, all of these things.
Yeah.
But centrally, it's a father
Yeah.
looking for his daughter.
Daughter.
And his daughter is faced with that classic thing of who is my father,
Hmm.
because there is some question mark over her
and that
paternity.
loyalty about to her mother.
And also what she knows about her
she's-
mother.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
very important. That the father, even though the mother is, as she said, was she a rat? The father never badmouths
Badmouths
the
her.
mother till she finds. Even those nuns.
Loved
Yeah.
Oh
the
my
nuns.
God.
The
So
nun
there
scene's
are
great. Yeah,
really, there
really
are
great
very
scenes, yeah.
interesting sequences in this, and it's shot on. This is the thing I was trying to shot on Vista Vision camera, 35 film and Vista Vision camera. So these Vista Vision cameras were restored and have been worked on by the chap who plays Phoebe's brother in Friends. Who would have thought? This guy is the only person in America who
Amazing.
has had these cameras, and also when they wanted to shoot this film, Paul Thomas Anderson went to him, and the only reason they could shoot on Vista Vision is because of this guy. So the connections are
Yeah.
bizarre.
And the chase scene in theatre was amazing because it really kind of made you
Yeah.
really unsettled you because you were going with the road.
And that, yeah,
Upar
and
niche.
suddenly you'd go
Yeah.
up and you could see that
And you
other
wanna do
car.
this,
Yeah, you
like-
want to. Now to Delhi Crime.
Yes,
Season
and Dipanjana had
3.
the most
Yes.
interesting take on it. Confused Bombay take on it.
Correct. Also, I would like to preface this with long before Rishi Mehta made Women Cops cool, I wrote a book with a very cool woman cop.
That's
okay?
true.
Harshabai
Hmm.
Baby was a far better, I think, take on a lot of the things that season 3 Delhi Crime was doing than Delhi Crime managed. And
What
I,
was the first season on? Tell me, what was the story? I forgot.
First
it.
season was on
season
the
was,
December 16th
Nirbhaya.
gang
Yeah.
rape case.
Which
Which
was,
was
a full
which was very
beautiful-
well
No,
done.
See, this
oh,
is
you
the thing.
didn't like it.
I thought it was a full-on PR job for the Delhi police.
Which it was.
It was a well-made show. But if you did not
So
know,
Delhi Police is shown. I mean, they
Very
question
kindly.
too many people without.
season 3 is set in, because it's Delhi. It's Delhi
It
crime.
begins in Rohtak
That's her problem.
Arey,
with the show.
NCR.
and then goes to Shilchar.
that
not
I did not
NCR.
understand why it
Rohtak
went
is not
to-
NCR.
Rohtak is
Rohtak
not
is
Rohtak is
NCR.
proper Haryana.
Rohtak is not NCR.
Our neighborhood.
I
And
mean,
it-
You're
like,
like Nepal is India.
Nepal
that
is
what you're
India.
doing right
No,
now.
Nepal is not India. What are you saying?
you don't need a
I
visa.
thought, where is it? Nepal, I thought was in India. No, so Delhi, it's always got basically Shefali
Chaya.
Shah.
Shah.
Oh,
Chaya.
Not
She's not
Chaya was
Chaya.
earlier. Shefali Shah plays the DIG, which is Vartika Chaturvedi.
Yeah.
There's Rajesh Telang is there.
Always good.
Rasika
Always good.
Dugal is there
Always
as
good.
ACP.
Meeta Vashisht, I love.
Meeta Vashisht, I
Hmm.
really like.
She
I
was
also
so good.
like Sayani Basu. Usually, I did not like. I felt she was wasted in this. She
Yeah.
could have. It was a very one.
Ha, very
let
one
me-
dimensional.
Let me ask the two of you, as one being a Delhi person and the other being someone who lives in
reluctant-
Haryana.
Reluctant
Um,
Delhi person.
How
earn
was
my
Huma
living.
Qureshi's accent?
Haryanvi.
And I feel this other thing of ever since, this is Kate Winslet's fault actually,
Mm-hmm.
because she did Mayor of Easttown. Then every actress who wants to be taken a little seriously in India said, we will also be cops and we will not wear makeup, or we'll wear makeup which looks like
But this
natural
is
makeup.
this is not even a joke. That Buckingham murders thing. Remember Kareena Kapoor?
Kareena Kapoor. I haven't seen that. How was that?
Sonakshi,
Huh?
that's not good. That
Don't watch
Buckingham
it.
The
murders.
Sonakshi series
the
was
Har.
very good.
The
The
Har.
The
Har.
Har
The
was
Har.
very
It's good, but
But
my
it's
point
that
is
same
makeup
genre.
less.
And it's that same genre. And it only started after this Mayor of Easttown. Then Delhi Crime Though has
Just
milked
someone give Vartika a lip balm.
this. No,
One
also
person.
you don't have to. So the least impressive acting I felt was by Shefali, who's actually a very good actress, but it's so unique and you don't have to look or shocked. She's a cop. Why are you shocked that a
I
child
just-
has been left by its parents?
I don't think this was a very well written show,
Yeah.
particularly in comparison to the first two. And this is when
First two
you
were better.
when
for
you
sure.
realize what you give an actor to work with has
That's what-
everything to do with how well they will do it. You know.
But y'all can say what you thought of Family Man, because I don't think we'll end
I'll,
up reviewing.
again, I think the first and second season writing was much better than the third season. I think that, Manoj Bajpayee's character is this bumbling kind of guy and awkward with his family. I think it was
Huh.
too forced in this season.
Very fast.
There's no naturalness to how he's
Hmm.
interacting with his, he's having issues
with his wife.
with
and
his
all.
wife and how he's dealing, how he's also very ordinary while being this intelligence, guy
Hmm.
who's saving the world. He's also this really average, ordinary, middle class uncle. That really came out well in the first two episodes. Third episode, it's a bit like
Also,
third
there
season
has
is
to
a bit.
be a growth in a
Absolutely.
change
Yeah.
in character. Your character,
And
your
that's, I think-
personality can't stay the same.
Yeah.
And that's, I think,
Wow.
what both Family Man and Delhi Crime, this is a problem that
Yeah.
both of them share.
Yeah.
That I don't think when they were initially being written, anyone had figured that this is as long an arc as they were going to have to follow. Like, what do you do with a character that has to stay same in many
That's
ways,
what.
but also evolve
There
and
has
have
to be some
challenges and
evolution,
stuff,
right?
right?
Especially if you're going through such traumatic and
Yes.
earth-shattering incidents where you are saving the world or saving India at least, that it's not affecting your personality
No,
at
in the
all.
case of
Even
Family
as a
Man,
status, right? In
In
the
Family Man, his life is being affected, his personal life is
Yeah.
being affected very directly, and yet his personality doesn't seem to be changing.
yeah,
Yeah.
Also,
there'll be another season of too much actually. Before
Really?
that.
They've commissioned a second
I think
season?
They've commissioned a second.
wow.
This is what comes now. Keep doing hate watching like I did.
Yeah.
They said so many people watched. Let's do
It-
another one.
Oh God.
Shah Rukh has to come on the show. Shah Rukh and Ajay Devgan for that one new series. has to
But
be.
listen, Ajay Devgan didn't come on the show even when he had a film to promote.
Yeah, he must have said. He
Which
must.
film did he have to promote?
De De Pyar De. There's an age
They,
gap
yeah,
romance
yeah,
that he
with
did.
Okay.
No?
Madhavan or whoever.
As his,
he must have said,
girlfriend's
I'm not
father.
going to do. Even Shah Rukh must have said.
The
Say,
bizarrest thing of too much is the food.
why
Randomly,
do they have that Sunday?
people have to go through the food. And there's just a random
also,
table
the games are also random.
for no reason. No, games I can still understand.
There
You
was
wanna
one
plug
car
something or the other.
game where they are racing with those toy cars.
I'm happy
And
to say
someone-
that I watched like
I
the
watched all other than
Amir
the one
Khan
with
eating
the...
a dabeli, and I felt
Poor
like I said, I
thing.
felt very bad for
Yeah.
him because steel dabeli is a true curse.
Also, trust me, they would have said, "Sir, one more." When you're bitten, now it
But
did
even
not.
from
So
an
then
ad
he would have
perspective,
done.
it makes no sense. There's no advertising happening there.
No,
There's no,
no,
conversation.
Oppo,
No, there's
it's
advertising.
full. Thing is
The
advertised.
food, why?
Oppo-
But why
not
was
the food? I
no,
don't know
no,
what happened.
I can't remember, but it was like so and so table of snacks.
Oh,
So
yeah,
it was
that
a
makes
branded
sense then,
table
like,
of
okay.
snacks.
Which that brand,
But that
please
brand
don't
should
buy
have.
from.
So
Yeah.
first of all, I don't remember.
Yeah, and don't
none
buy
of us
from
remember,
that.
so clearly it didn't work.
Yeah.
It was
Because
just,
we remember Oppo.
Yeah,
But
Oppo,
I
because she
think-
kept doing that. Let's take a selfie.
I want to say that the whole idea of the snacks thing was to get like fancy restaurants on board,
And
or-
nobody agreed.
and nobody would.
But I think the talk shows are just kind of no fun to watch anymore because
Correct.
nothing authentic comes out of them anymore.
Yeah.
They are so curated, and also there's such a need for these actors to be vulnerable Like
Hmm.
there's a strange fake vulnerableness. They'll
Yeah.
bring up some incident from childhood or something, and then there'll be some tears that they'll share. It's just so contrived that you can't.
No, but the next episode is the 400th episode, which
Yay!
makes it how many years? 52
50.
weeks
52 years.
52 episodes is 1 year. Eight. That's so sad. That's
8
almost
years.
sad. 8 years broken up. That's even sadder. 8 years. Yeah, it's almost 8 years, but 400 episodes next is the next one. So all of you should get 400 people to subscribe.
Yes.
And if you get 400
and watch
people,
Dhurandhar for the 400th
watch
episode.
Durandar so that you can also send in your
It'll
comments.
be fun. I'm sure it's going to be
I
fun.
think it will be. They were so disappointed, Priyali and Abhinandan, because I saw the trailer and I said, "Oh my God, I'd watch this film. It's
Yeah.
so
Good
mad."
music, Ranveer
Yeah,
Singh.
I know this
I like
Ranveer
Ranveer
Singh is
Singh.
horrible. Absolutely, God,
No, he's great. He's,
No,
he's
I'm-
Amir's height.
What?
That doesn't matter what
No,
height
no,
he
he's
is.
Is he
not
taller?
He's taller.
So
Then
what?
it's
Why
not
are you being a
looking good.
heightist?
I'm a heightist. No, but tune in for the 400 show.
Yes.
There's nothing spectacular. 401st is spectacular. I think. We will start the new year with a bang. We
Yes.
promise. But buy the Panjana's book.
Yes.
Read
Go
it.
to a bookshop and buy the book. Let me do a little bit for bookshops also.
Because then you get a very cool
Bookmark.
bookmark.
Yeah. And congratulations. And
Thank
are you
you.
writing? Have you started writing your next book?
Absolutely not. But
Shocking. Huh.
but thank you for reading it.
Yes.
And thank you for having
Ordering
me on.
it, reading it,
All of it.
all of it. And thank you, Miss Pandey.
Thank you, Miss Sen.
Thank you, Miss Pal.
Thank you, Miss Sen.
And it's a wrap. Yay.